Good morning students, how are you all? So today we will learn how to construct a pie chart. As you all know, pie chart is also a method to show the data in a pictorial form. Okay, it helps us to differentiate between the datas, to compare between the datas. So we are going to construct a pie chart. I have taken question 5.4 first question. Okay, for construction of pie chart, we required some things like a pencil and a rounder. Okay, we want a protector. Okay, now what we have to do, the first step is let's read the question first. And the question says, the table shows the number of hours spent by student on different activities in a working day. So here we are having this table: activity number of hours, sleep 9 hours, school 7 hours, homework 3 hours, play 2 hours, others 3 hours. Okay, so with the help of this table we have to construct a pie chart. But as the pie chart is made with the help of angles, so first we have to take out the angles of these hours. Okay, for that what we have to do? So first we have to find out the angles. So okay, let's do it. So for sleep, we'll leave some space for the pie chart. We'll do first calculation. For sleep, how many hours? Okay, for sleep we are taking 9 hours. So 9 upon how many hours are there in an hour? That is 24 hours. And we are making this pie chart of 360 degree. So we will multiply it with 360. So your answer will be 135 degree. Okay. In the same way for school, yes, 7 upon 24 into 360 degree is equal to 105 degree. Okay. In the same way for homework is equal to 3 upon 24 is equal to 360 degree is equal to 45 degree. Okay, in the same way play, we are spending 2 hours, 2 upon 24 into 360 degree is equal to 30 degree. And for others, we are spending 3 hours, 3 upon 24 into 360 degree is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so we have done the basic calculation with the help of which we are able to construct the pie chart. So now what we have to do, the first step is you have to take the rounder and you have to fix the rounder at the appropriate position so that you can make a circle. You can make it of any radius, okay, you can take it any radius. Okay, let's make a circle first. Okay, I've made this circle. Okay, mark this center point. Okay, let's do it. Let's make it a little darker. First of all, what you have to do, you have to put your protector at the center point, and you have to make a 90 degree angle. Okay, so I'll make a 90 degree angle here, straight up. Okay, 90 degree angle बना लिया हमने. Okay, so first work is done. Now what we have to do, for sleep what is the angle? That is 135 degree. So for taking out 135 degree, you have to put your protector like this in the vertical position, and you have to see where 135 comes. You don't have to see it here. Okay, it is obvious that it is an obtuse angle, so it won't come here. It will come somewhere here. So let's see that. Okay, 135 here. So mark it. 135. Okay. Now join it with the help of center. Done. So for now label it also. For sleep we are taking 135 degree angle. Now the next one is what? School. So for school it is 105 degree. So what we will do now? We'll put our rounder. Okay, we'll put our rounder like this. Okay, making the 90 degree. This line should be with this line. Okay, so we'll put it like this. Okay, now we will see 105 degree comes where. So we will see it. So it is coming here. So point it and join the line with the center. Okay, so for school we made 105 degree angle. Now the next one is homework. So we have to just flip the paper also. We have to turn it also. We'll put the round protector like this, center, lines matching. Then we will see where comes the 45 degree. So it comes here, pointed. Okay, then we will join it with the help of center. Done. So homework, how much? 45 degree. Okay, now the left is play. For play, what we are going to do? We are going to make 30 degree angle. Let's put it like this. And 30 degree angle. Okay, 30 degree angle is here. Now the rest one is 45 degree. Let's see that also. Yes, it is coming 45 degree also. So now in this way we can make a pie chart. First what we have to do, we have to take out the angles. For that what we have to do, the data which is given, we have to divide it with the appropriate values and we have to multiply it with 360 so that we'll get the answer in degrees. And in this way we have to plot the pie chart. Hopefully you have understood and able to make pie charts by yourself. Practice it. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, take care. Goodbye and thank you.